Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now we'll be continuing our discussion on CSS background position to the left. So right here we are going to use the background position left so you can be able to understand how some cool tricks about this. Back to our document. Quickly, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background position and some tricks about it. And right now let's go and use background position left so you can see the main benefit of using left in your background position. So this one is having our background positioning, right? So right here we don't know how we got this background repeat. You can check our previous tutorial on it, and you can check this one or also we have discussed about this some tricks about this. So right now we are on background position. Let me give it a gap so you can be able to see it clearly. Now let's remove all this and give our document left. I will give it left position. Let's see the default way it will look. Now reload. Can you see when we reload our document, our element, our picture came to the left, right? Now let me show you something again. Let's change the picture to another picture we have. Let's change it to paper picture. We have one paper picture right here. Let's reload our document and save it. Let's reload. Can you see we are having left right here? I'm going to bring in another picture again because I think this topic we are doing right now, this topic we are on it right now is very sensitive. So I'm going to use this desert image so you can be able to see what I'm doing clearly. So let's delete this one, desert. We are trying to use desert, right? Let's reload our document now. Can you see we are having left? The left position is displaying our picture by the left side, but if you notice very well, this left side is displaying is in between. It's like the center by the left. As you can see, it's at the center, but it's on the left side. Notice this very well, because if you don't notice it in the future, when we are getting to some critical level in this positioning, you are going to understand why I am doing this shot by shot so you guys can be able to understand it. This is positioning. Can you see, like when we have our screen, like 100% of our screen is taken half, is on the half side, like in the middle of the left side. So I'm going to show you once again with another picture, but before I show you with another picture, let me remove all these things I have inside here. When I remove everything I have inside here now, reload. Can you see what happens here? This is another cool thing you should know now. Can you see what happened? The image shifts to the top. Can you see? The image shifts to the top. Can you see? So I'm trying to show you some things that you should be aware of. Some cool thing you should be aware of. So let me bring what I deleted earlier. Let me bring it back. Can you see all these things? Now let's reload our document. Can you see? Our image is right. It's fighting with our field set right here. With our field set element, the image, little of the image is entering there. Now let me give our field set element a color so you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Let's just select our field set here. Field set. Let's give it background color of red, so that you should be able to understand that this is. Can you see? It is trying to. We are still having more of the picture by this left. As you can see, definitely it is going beyond what we expected. So for us to control this, we are going to get there. So just be careful when you are using it, because the CSS background positioning adds a lot of cool tricks you should be aware of. So now let's save our document for now. Let me get back to our document so you can see. See the image. It's not at the top right here, it's not at the bottom right here, but it's even not at the center again now. If you notice very well, it's not at the center now. So let me reload our document. Can you see? It's not at the center again now. So now let me remove this our everything I have here. Let me remove everything. Come back to your document and reload. Can you see what happens? It's come to the top. So which the top is the one we are thinking that is supposed to begin from, right? Now it started from the top again. Now as you can see, it started from the left top. So definitely when we specify left, is to start from the top and is to start from the left. Now this is the normal way it's supposed to, but when you have one thing that makes you have some content, let's say you mistakenly have some content inside your body element like this, definitely you should know that another thing may happen. So let me remove, I will not remove the color. Let's reload again. Can you see? Now can you see it jumps from the top just to go and meet this our fit set element. It's like a magnet self. Maybe there is a magnet between them, so that's why it's come, they want to join together. So we don't want that. We are going to do that. We are going to know how we can do that to separate them easily in our future tutorial, but I won't do that now. But you should just check. If you just understand this, just let me remove this image now. That's why when we reload our document, our top 10 strength is not showing clearly right here. Can you see? Because this background image now is at the background of our, it's also the little out of it is at the background of our fit set also. So try to practice this, because practice makes perfect. So, and when you don't have all these elements right here, it's working like we expected. Let's remove all these elements now. Let's reload our document. Can you see? It's working like we expected. So please practice make perfect. I won't say much than this, because anwar akorede ayofe is many. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next.